If you have no credit score, or a very low one, this video is for you. In the United States, your credit score affects almost everything. Your credit cards, your car loan, your mortgage rate, even your ability to rent an apartment. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your credit score from 0 to 750 and beyond, step by step. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. Let's start. First, you need to understand what makes up your credit score. Most lenders use FICO scores, and your FICO score is mainly based on 5 factors. Payment history about 35%, credit utilization about 30%, length of credit history about 15%, new credit inquiries about 10%, credit mix about 10%. So if you focus on the biggest factors, you can grow your score much faster. Now let's talk about the exact steps. Step 1. Open your first credit account. You cannot build credit without using credit. If you're starting from 0, the easiest and safest option is a secured credit card. Here's how it works. You give the bank a refundable deposit, usually $200 to $500. That deposit becomes your credit limit. It reduces the bank's risk and gives you a way to start building history. Many major issuers in the US offer secured cards. Choose one with no annual fee if possible. Once approved, use the card for small purchases only. Gas, groceries, streaming subscriptions. Nothing big. Step 2. Always pay on time. This is the most important rule. Payment history makes up the largest portion of your score. Even one payment that is 30 days late can seriously damage your credit. So never miss a due date. Set up automatic payments, or at least set reminders, and always pay at least the minimum. If you can, pay the full balance each month. That way, you avoid interest completely. Step 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit you are using. If your credit limit is $500 and your balance is $400, you are using 80%. That is too high. Experts recommend keeping utilization below 30%. But for faster score growth, try to stay under 10%. So if your limit is $500, keep your balance under $50 before the statement closes. This one habit alone can dramatically improve your score. Step 4. Avoid applying for too many credit cards. Every time you apply, the lender performs a hard inquiry. A few inquiries are normal, but too many in a short period of time can lower your score. Start with one card. Use it responsibly for at least 3 to 6 months. Then, and only then, consider adding another card if needed. Slow and steady wins here. Step 5. Be patient and consistent. Building credit is not instant. In most cases, you can generate your first score after about 3 to 6 months of activity. With on-time payments, low utilization, and no negative marks, reaching 700 within a year is realistic. And 750 is absolutely achievable with consistency. Now let me give you a few bonus tips. First, keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history matters. Closing your first card can actually lower your score over time. Second, monitor your credit reports. You can check your reports for free at annualcreditreport.com. Review them for errors. If you see incorrect information, dispute it immediately. Third, avoid carrying high balances month to month. Carrying a balance does not build credit faster. That is a myth. Paying on time is what builds credit. Let's quickly recap. Open a secured card. Use it lightly. Pay on time. Keep utilization under 30%, ideally under 10%. Avoid too many applications. And stay consistent. That's the formula. No hacks. No secrets. Just discipline. If you follow these steps, your credit score will grow. Not overnight, but steadily. And once you cross 750, you unlock better rates, better approvals, and better financial opportunities. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe. In the next video, I'll break down the best beginner credit cards in the US right now. Thanks for watching.